So you want to connect our new 6 kVA inverters in parallel. Here's how you do it in 6 steps. Step 1. First thing, make sure your battery inputs, your grid inputs, and your solar inputs are already connected on both inverters. Step 2. Now turn off the switch on both inverters, but leave the battery breaker and the grid or the solar breaker on. You'd notice the display will still be active. That is what we want. Step 3. Grab your parallel communication cable and connect them as shown in this diagram. So the left port on the left-sided inverter would go to the right port of the right-sided inverter, and inversely, the right port of the left-sided inverter would go to the left port of the right-sided inverter. Step 4. It's now time to connect the current sharing cables. Connect them as shown in the diagram. So connect the left current sharing port of the left-sided inverter to the left current sharing port of the right-sided inverter. Then you connect the right current sharing port of the left-sided inverter to the right current sharing port of the right-sided inverter. Step 5. While the switch of both inverters are turned off, proceed to program 4 on both inverters and change the settings there from SIG, which means single, to PAL, which is parallel. Note that this has to be done for both inverters. Step 6. Turn on both your inverters and check that they are showing parallel mode on the display. It is indicated by HS and SL. HS meaning master, SL meaning slave. Congratulations, they are now running in parallel. Thanks for watching.